So, the cool thing about this jig, let's pretend I'm doing 100 of them, right? And it lifts up and it moves. So I lift up, I put one on. I put it down, I step on the pedal, it engraves. I lift it up, I take it off. I put a new one on. Put it down, it engraves. Every single one is going to be the exact same. That's what you want when you're batching out jobs for customers, right? Every single one needs to be 100% same, all the time. So, this jig makes that happen. I don't have my venting mounted yet, so I gotta hold my little hose here for now. Alright. We look at it, we give it an inspection, I'm happy with it. So, these things don't really need a lot of cleaning, but if you're like me and you just clean out of habit anymore, I just use the good old LA Awesome microfiber cloth, give it a little squirty squirt, nothing major. Sometimes if you put too much on here, you can smear this white and start eating away at the white. So I would tell your customers that this is not ideal to be out in the rain like regular leatherette. I would not get it wet a lot. So, there we go. Take one off, put another one on. It's gonna look exactly the same every time. Girls will be girls. Don't trust them, fellas. They will eat your head. There you go, boys and girls. Wicked awesome gifts. Can koozie, beverage holder, whatever you call these things. Jig for the CO2 Galvo and fiber lasers. Alright, boys and girls, have a good day. Bye.